Okay, so this is a little bit of a scary scenario here. We bought a window for up in the front of the van where it did not have one. It's a 12-inch by 40-inch. It's actually designed to go into an RV door, but we're going to mount that into the head here of the van. And I've kind of pre-marked it, already got some holes drilled, and things got a little bit of curvature to everything, so it's going to be a little bit tricky getting there all cleared out and put in there properly and sealed right. So we'll see how that works out. I may have just destroyed the van, but I think I can get her sealed up, so stay tuned.